Born to run, baby. Born to run. Welcome to the De Leon.
Hey guys, this is Rob with the De Leon Hobby Garage, and today I thought I'd make a quick little video. I've been at this new location here for about 7 months or so, but the move is still not over. I'm still moving stuff back from the other house, and this garage is a complete disaster. I won't show you everything because it's really bad, but that's what we've got going on over there. Haven't touched my racing sim in probably a month or so. I've had this truck here for I don't know how many months, and this thing has just been sitting here. Hasn't seen a lick of dirt yet. As you can see, the tires are still brand new. Here we've got some new wheels for it. These are the new hobby soles. It's going to be going on the SCX6 at some point. Got to get those done. Haven't even got a chance to open this one yet. And it makes me wonder, why do I keep starting projects I can't finish? Well, and here's another one. This is a project that I wanted to start probably a few weeks ago, and I still haven't gotten to it. And let's take a look at this one. So this is the H10 Optic kit by Vanquish. And originally when this one came out, I thought it was really kind of a dumb idea. And the reason why I thought it was dumb is because you don't actually get to pick your livery and color options. There's no way to tell which actual color livery you get. So we have an orange one that kind of looks like something from Fast and Furious. We've got this one here in green. We've got the Eibach in red. We've got the Throttle Therapy, the Battleborn, and there's another one here. I'm gonna open this up with you guys. As you can see, it still hasn't been opened. So I've been sitting on this kit for about, I'd say about 3 weeks or so, and I wanted to make a video, but again, I've just been caught up with all the work of moving and trying to find things. There's things that I still haven't found that I've been missing for the last 6-7 months that I know I moved. I just can't figure out where I did with them. Anyway, let's go ahead and give it a look. What color do you think that I might end up with? And let me ask myself this, what color would I think I like? Well, I think this would be pretty good here. I do like the orange one. I do like the color orange. I do like the color red, as you can see here. And as you can see on my bike there, Throttle Therapy looks pretty good. This yellow one, I don't know, that looks okay. Carbon would be kind of nice. I guess I'd be okay with any of these, right? So let's go ahead and find out what we've got here. What color do you think this is? Because you guys are going to find out at the same time I'm finding out. Okay, let's see what happens. What color did we get? We don't know yet. It looks like we got the gray option with the Vanquish livery and the kind of carbon fiber looking decals. And you've got the gray panels in there. I think this is going to look really good for what I was planning on building. Yeah, I do like that a lot. That's nice. That's a nice option. Basically, you got your side panels there. You've got some accessories here. You've got some fans. You've got your battery straps. You got your front grille. Yeah, that kind of looks like the gray color to me. So that's cool. If that's what that is, I think it has to be, because I don't know of any other colors that are gray. So you've got your hood, you've got your roof, side panels, and the rest of the chassis kit. So basically, here's the details of what this particular kit is going to eventually be. Here it's got the VFD transmission, and it looks like it's got a 6.5% overdrive. So your front wheels are going to turn faster than your back ones. Good for hill climbing, climbing rocks. And then here's it showing the trail buggy drivetrain features. And pretty much that's the way it lays out. So this particular kit, you have to supply your own electronics, your own wheels and tires. Then it's pretty much ready to go. This is actually my first Vanquish kit. When I'll get around to it, I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's about all I have to say today. It is freezing in here, so I'm probably going to call this the end of the video and head back inside the house. And at some point when it starts to heat up and I get some more time, I'm going to get back to these projects and start putting stuff together. We'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.